Quick reference. 30 seconds.
Nice.
Fantastic. So guys, we'll
allow with give and ask पूरा
सब करते हैं. So Jai Jinendra, I request all the members to please take your seat. We are going to start the Bagaria JVN Disconnect Referral meeting happening at Connect Hyderabad. Request members to please turn off your phone and put it in silent mode or retain and also maintain the diagram of the meeting. Jai Jinendra everyone. Jai Jinendra. Warm welcome to today's Bagaria JVN Disconnect Referral meeting. I would like to start this part of the meeting by reciting the Navkar mantra. So I request all the members to please kindly remove your shoes, raise and recite the Navkar mantra. Sahunam Svanjanamukaro Sarva Bhava Panasano Mangalam Cha Savesim Padamam Havai Mangalam Padamam Havai Mangalam. Thank you members. Bagaria JVN is an initiative of Jito and Jito Business Network to empower the economic development of its members. Our goal is to help each other in bringing more business among the members. We have set our goal to 57,600 crores of business among members in the near future. I will come to the mathematics later. We currently have around 90 plus referral groups active in India, and many more are opening soon across India and other countries. Members, on an average, we are launching a referral group every 10 days in the last 2 to 3 years. Wow. Every 10 days, a new group is being launched. So I believe that it is the fastest growing networking platform and proper made in India, for India, Atmanirbhar India. Thank you. At Hyderabad Connect, let us take an oath today. Members, please stand and say after me. Please raise your right hand and say after me loudly. We are capable. We are capable. And we will connect. And we will connect. We will contribute. We will contribute. And will together. And will together. Create an abundant JVN. Together we will give. Together we will give. And together we will grow. And together we will grow. Thank you members. Please take your seats. I will now introduce you to the Bagaria JVN leadership team of today's meeting. My name is Manoj Kochar and I am Data Developer. On my right is on my right is our referral meeting lead.
Jai Jinendra. My name is Amit Solanki and I am the referral meeting lead for the meeting today. Along with our team, I will be judging the best dressed male, best formal, best dressed female, best formal and as the best second certification meeting. Thank you. Over to referral meeting head.
Thank you, Vikash. On my left is our referral meeting secretary.
Jai Jinendra, my name is Aditi Jain and I am the referral meeting secretary. I will be the time curator for 30 seconds and at the end of the meeting I will announce the statistics of today's meeting. Thank you and over to our referral prefect.
Thank you, Aditi. Members, I also recognize the presence of Mr. Nitesh G. Shah, who is a special invitee in our National Apex team and he is heading the training vertical. What you saw yesterday, Amri attended? How was it? Awesome. Fantastic guys. Thank you, Nitesh bhai. Thank you. Yes. And what sort of customers or connects they are looking for. Members are requested to keep this introduction in 30 seconds. Members need to share the following things. Your name, your city which you belong to, your company name, your business category, in short your success story, just to build credibility for you, and a specific ask. So specific ask, please name a person or a company, right? Don't say please connect me to friends, family, not that. Proper specific, because today you have people all over the country here. Probably you will get your dream connect or dream referral. So be specific in your ask. Before we start this part of the meeting, I request the time curator to keep a watch on the timer as we move around the members. So we'll begin with the left side of the row. Quickly, your 30 seconds, one by one.
Technologies. We do software development including mobile applications, web applications, and we are lately have ventured into GenAI as well, which includes both voice agents as well as AI-based chatbots. The ask is to connect to anyone who's looking for these kind of services. Give is any mainly startups I'm very well connected to, so anyone is looking to connect with startups for specific products or services, we'll be able to help.
Your name and number?
Hemant Jain, 9763 999 992.
भुज कच्छ गुजरात। हमारा प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट का और कोरोग्रेटेड बॉक्स का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट है। मेरा स्पेसिफिक आस्क ये है कि हम एक्सपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं कमोडिटीज आइटम्स को, तो अगर आप कोई है रेफरेंस चाइना, अफ्रीका या फिर मिडल ईस्ट में तो प्लीज़ कनेक्ट करिए। थैंक यू।
जय जय सभी को, गुड मॉर्निंग। आई एम सी आदेश शाह। I am a GST and a government incentives expert. I have been working in this field for the past 12 years. Government incentives, we had any company who is any manufacturing setup or IT unit who is doing new setups, we help them get subsidies from governments up to 60-70% of the amount they're investing. GST, we help in all types of compliances appeals. We are currently handling appeals of up to 250 crores. We work across India. I would request the people here to connect me with corporates who are in need of services for GST or incentives. Thank you so much. My name again is Adesh Shah and my number is 9860409336. Thank you.
Jai you should get 40% interest on your investment. Yes, we make it possible by providing end-to-end solution in solar energy by installing solar panels on your industries, apartments, bungalows. Yes, with our own in-house team, I am also an electrical engineer. We have successfully completed 250 plus projects in Maharashtra. I, Rotary Ashutosh Chowgule from Jaisingpur, which is coming from Kolhapur district, Maharashtra, founder of Pure Solar. Yes, my specific ask, I don't have a company here right now, but you can give me connection of industries or hospitals who wants to reduce their electricity bill. Thank you. Sorry. Ashutosh Chowgule, Pure Solar. Number is 9623 91 5660.
जिनेंद्र, मैं कौस्तुभ मेहता नासिक से हूँ। मेटाफोर्ज हमारी इंडस्ट्री है जहाँ पे हम लोग कोल्ड फोर्जिंग एंड मशीन कंपोनेंट्स मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं। मेनली ऑल टाइप ऑफ असेंबलीज के लिए ये फास्टनर्स लगते हैं, मशीन कंपोनेंट्स लगते हैं। हमारा अभी सप्लाई बजाज ऑटो एंड मेनी ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्रीज, सोलर इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए है। इसके अलावा हम लोग थर्मोफॉर्मिंग, वैक्यूम फॉर्मिंग प्रोसेस के मशीन्स और उसके प्रोडक्ट्स भी मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं। तो मेरा आस्क ये है, कोई ओई कंपनीज में आपका कोई अच्छा कनेक्ट हो, लाइक होंडा और मारुति, वो मैं चाहता हूँ प्लीज। थैंक यू।
नेम एंड नंबर?
कौस्तुभ मेहता, 922 511 4212.
Good evening everyone. I am Manish Jain, Chartered Accountant from Mumbai, Goregaon. So I am the official Basuli partner for 100 plus corporates in India. So we do recovery for almost all corporates, SMEs, and I can guarantee you I will bring back your lost money, whatever you have lost with your data. So my ask is you can give me a connect of corporates, even though your Basuli I can do, with the help of 75 plus employees across India. And my giveaway is I have got around 100 plus corporates. Wherever you want to connect, I can get you connected with CEO and CFO of those corporates.
You are from which city?
I am from Mumbai. My name is Manish Jain. My number is 8291910244.
8291. Jai Jinendra. I am Harsh Vora from Pune PCMC chapter. We are the net importers of bearings in Pune, namely brand as LSK and SKF. Apart from this, we also supply to various industries in Pune, namely Tata Motors, Mahindra and their ancillaries. What we are now focusing on is the super precision bearings, which is booming in the Pune sector. My specific ask is from the industry experts who deal into or who are machinery manufacturers. Thank you so much.
Name and number.
My name is Harsh Vora from Pune PCMC 95295-78346. Thank you.
I am Karan Bafna from Hubli, Karnataka, and my firm's name is Bharat Watch Company. We basically deal with speakers, amplifiers like PA systems, cables and connectors. हम लोग दो ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड के साथ काम करते हैं, आहूजा और स्टूडियो मास्टर, जो 80 साल पुरानी कंपनीज हैं, और हमारा फर्म है अराउंड सिंस 1955। तो मेरे कनेक्ट्स में VL लॉजिस्टिक्स, SGM कॉलेज, बसवेश्वर विश्वविद्यालय इन भागलपुर, ये सब में हम आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं। और आई एम लुकिंग फॉर B2B बिजनेस, मतलब डायरेक्ट सप्लाई करने का ट्रेडर्स को। थैंक यू। माय नेम इज करण बाफना, 8828222815।
मेरा नाम सक्षम है, नंबर आप अभी पहले नोट कर लीजिए 9727700417। मेरा काम है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का। किस आदमी को फेमस होना है यहाँ पे? प्लीज रेज अ हैंड्स। सिर्फ गिनती की, जिसको भी फेमस होना है इंटरनेट पर, ऐसी एक जगह जहाँ कोई बंदिशें नहीं है, जहाँ कोई सीमाएं नहीं है। अगर आपको वहाँ फेमस होना है तो आप मेरा संपर्क कर सकते हैं। सक्षम, मेरी फर्म का नाम है बजर, और मैं हीरा नगरी और टेक्सटाइल नगरी सूरत से तारुफ रखता हूँ। थैंक यू। फोन नंबर 9727700417।
मैं रुजुता मेहता, मैं ग्राफिक डिजाइनर हूँ। मैं ब्रांडिंग और वेबसाइट डिजाइनिंग में काम करती हूँ। जनरली जो लोगोज और वेबसाइट्स अपन देखते हैं, काफी हद तक यूनिकनेस मिस कर देते हैं। मेरा एक्सपर्टीज उसमें है। एंड ऑल्सो वेबसाइट्स में जो भी लंबा लंबा डेटा छपता है, आई ट्राई एंड मेक श्योर कि वो विजुअली ज्यादा एडेड रहे, सो दैट इट ट्रांसफर मोर इम्पैक्ट, वो ज्यादा यादगार बने। इसके लिए मैं काम करती हूँ। मेरा नाम रुजुता मेहता, मेरा नंबर 7888041239।
ब्यूटी इज नेचुरल, रीच इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट। खूबसूरत हर कोई है, पर उसको उभारता हर कोई नहीं है। Myself Ashish Jain from Hyderabad. We are the importer and manufacturer of artificial jewelry. We are purely into e-commerce, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Meesho, मतलब। तो आपको e-commerce के रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हो तो we are into, मतलब 10 साल से उसमें है, तो बेसिक मैं आपको गाइड कर सकता हूँ या हेल्प कर सकता हूँ। मेरा टास्क स्पेसिफिक है कि नाउ ई-कॉमर्स से ज़्यादा क्विक कॉमर्स फॉरवर्ड हो रहा है, तो वी आर इनटू ब्लिंकिट। आप मुझे तो अगर कोई ज़ेप्टो या इंस्टामार्ट में कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, दैट इट विल बी वेरी फाइन। माय नेम इज अगेन आशीष जैन, मेरा नंबर है 9030452678।
Myself Ritesh Jain from Skyfood Products, Hyderabad. Basically, we are chocolate manufacturer from Hyderabad. Okay, so we are doing pan India. Now we are starting customized chocolate manufacturing. So even we are into gifting. So my basic ask is, I am looking for exporters. Like we are doing pan India. Now we want to expand our business to other country. So anybody who can connect me to any exporter or any agent who can do this, and even corporates who are looking for chocolate gifting, we can customize and give them chocolates also and ready-made gift packing also. So my name is Ritesh Jain, 9963 111171। और हैदराबाद में यानी चॉकलेट मैन्युफैक्चरर का लिंक चाहिए, मे बी कोऑर्डिनेटेड बॉक्सर किसी को, तो यू कैन कनेक्ट मी। थैंक यू।
This is Rajesh Jain. I am inviting all the professionals in the room to connect to me, as I am a national convener for G2 Professional Forum. So we can work together and you can have more visibility. My main profession is into opportunities. We have a group of investors and we always look for opportunities around. So if you have something, we can work together. The opportunity should be something related to distress or discounted. Normal opportunities are available. And my gives would be builders and chartered accountants in Pune. My ask would be, you can connect me to a chartered accountants, company secretaries, builders, jewelers, any HNIs and ultra HNIs. Thank you.
I am Soham Kapasi. I am from Mumbai and my company's name is Fairdeal Corporation. We are in the field of industrial manufacturing and supplying. We manufacture all different types of gaskets, that is leak-proof sealants. Along with gaskets, we also manufacture sheets and O-rings. different types like rubber, silicone, white-on, EPDF, PTFE. Along with this manufacturing, we also supply hardware and fasteners, that is nut bolts and washers, and also pipes and fittings to our pharmaceutical, biopharma and food processing companies pan-India and all over the world. So any reference or lead for the same, do let me know. Thank you. My name is Soham Kapasi and my number is 84529-22456. I repeat, 84529-22456. Thank you.
I'm basically a corporate guy, 25 years of experience. Johnson & Johnson, Philips, SC Johnson, Excite. So from a management trainee to a business head. So I just quit the corporate world and wanted to start my business, but instead I wanted to buy over a business. It can be any sector. It could be building material. It could be as long as it's got a B2C, B2B footprint. So I can buy over any business right now with one single check, 100%. So if you have any leads, please call me on 988 66 555 22. 988 66 555 22.
And Srinivas sir, please, I request you to, I think you went outside and he was looking for you.
Yeah.
Please come here, guys. Mr. Srinivas is from the CM's office. And he's come here.
CM's office. I've been told by somebody in the CM's office to visit the place and then see how you can help and then how I can gain from your kind. So thank you.
So he's just like, officer on special duty. तो IS special duty दी जाती है, वो एक को नहीं दी जाती। OSD, officer on special duty. Thank you, Srinivas sir, for joining us.
Please be connected with him. A lot of gives and take can be there.
So can we continue with the members?
Accounting software Tally में I do everything in and around Tally, and my give is Safro Industries, and my ask is CA. My number is 9967 246098. 9967 246098. Shilpa Mehta, and I would like to connect all CAs in the room. Thank you.
My company name is Gautam Machine Tools. We are dealing with all kind of industrial and automotive products for brands like SKF, NTC, Tata. And my specific ask is Srinivas Spinning Mills, Hyderabad. Everybody can connect, please help me. And my specific gives are Macrofinish Group, Closer Group at Hubli. Thank you.
This is Harsh Pamecha, representing founder Pinnacle Furniture. Who in this room doesn't want to increase your workforce productivity? Everybody wants to, right? So we at Pinnacle Furniture help you gain the maximum benefit with our range of ergonomic furniture. We are the manufacturers as well importers for office furniture, educational furniture and cafe and restaurant furniture. With clientele across real estate, government, IT, pharma and retail in Hyderabad. Do connect with me if you need any connect in Hyderabad with this. But we have our stall in hall number 1, A14, A17. It would be great to connect with you. Looking for connect in CBRE procurement head. CBRE, it's a PMC. My number is 705-7593-121. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Shayar Mehta. We are doing import of furniture hardware fittings. हम wholesale का totally business करते हैं pan India, and my special ask है अभी इंटीरियर से, बिल्डर से और आर्किटेक्ट से। अगर कोई कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो मेरा नंबर नोट कर लीजिए। My name is Shayar Mehta, 9898819008।
सुभाष मोहन, आप सभी को सादर जय जिनेंद्र। Mind is nothing but a traffic of thought. Select your path, route carefully. I am Subhash Mohammed, representing my company Travels and Ticketing Expert. We are into a travel partner. We are a preferred travel partner for ticketing, flight tickets, package, visa, cruise, and group bookings. Thank you.
Phone number.
My number is 9820955. 411. You can search me on the 1JBN app.
GST माने घणो सारो टैक्स। अभी तो कम हो गया ना साहब with GST 2.0. While you all enjoy the slashed GST rates as a consumer, trust us to take care of your business's GST compliances. Hi, I am CA Namita Jain, founder of Namita K and Associates, Chartered Accountants, Hyderabad. Trust us to take care of your GST compliances from GST registration to GST litigation. Please connect me to corporates and all other entities who are looking for GST compliances, especially assessments and appeals in the state of Telangana. Thank you.
Good morning, Jai Jinendra. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate Manojji for the fantastic referral meetings that we have been having at Jito JBN, exclusively at Hyderabad. Thank you so much, Manojji, for that platform.
Thank you, but also thank you to the Hyderabad team and especially the JBN squad. Right, there are nearly some 40 to 50 people who've been working on this venue just to make sure that हमारी referral meetings properly चले, time से script आए, सब कुछ everything हो जाए. So big round of applause for Hyderabad, not for us.
Thank you so much, Manojji. On behalf of the entire Hyderabad team, I take this and pass it over to you again. Good morning, Jai Jinendra. My name is Rakshita Bohra. I am in the LED lights category. Brand name Bohra Lights, store name Lalit Electricals, located at Kachiguda, Badichodi, Hyderabad. My contact number is 9676880410. We manufacture, customize, fabricate, import, install, sale and service all kind of LED lights. We have a stall here at hall number 1, B25, Bohra Lights. I request each one of you to please come down to our store. And my contact number once again I'll repeat, 9676880410. We deal in all kind of LED lighting solutions, indoor, outdoor, ceiling, wardrobe and furniture. I would like to connect with interiors, architects and designers. We work pan-India. We are registered vendors for Zudio, Lifestyle and Max Studios. If anybody is looking for a contact, I can connect them. Thank you so much.
Good morning, members. This is Gaurav representing Media Productions. We are a photography video production company based out of Bangalore. We are experts in creating content and delivering in record time. For example, we cover any event where you are there and we make sure you get your pictures in the next 30 minutes of it being shot. And some of my clientele include RCB, RBI and Bits Pilani, and my specific ask is to connect me to video production houses, photographers and videographers from your contacts in your cities. Thank you so much. My phone number is name Gaurav Gulecha, 95432-64868. 95432-64868. 64868.
What's your name?
Gaurav Gulecha.
My name is Kunal. I am the founder and principal designer at the Casa Studio. We are into residential interiors. We undertake high-end turnkey interior designing and execution. We also design pan-India and monitor based on that. Recent success story is that we have published in India's top 5 magazines. And specific ask would be, I would like to connect with Raja Pushpa Properties CRM, Customer Relationship Manager or Marketing Head from Hyderabad. Thank you.
Jai Jinendra. A very good morning to all of you. Numbers, stars and planets. They don't lie, they just guide. So if you want guidance in the cosmic world, get connected to me. I am Preeti Churadia, a cosmic coach. I am a certified consultant and trainer in astrology, numerology and a tarot card. I do both online and offline consultation and teaching. My forte is in giving brand name, company name, logo, baby name, based on your numerological chart and astrological chart, depending on the work area of your work. So that's about me, and I would like to get connected to anybody who wants to do offline and online sessions and workshops. Please follow my page Mystic Light to know more about me. My phone number is 933003945. Thank you. 39454.
मारो ना कोई ड्रेस देगा, कोई ज्वेलरी देगा, कोई वास्तु का बताएगा, पर मैं कुछ देने नहीं आई। मैं आप नहीं ये तो मैं सकती हूँ, JBN से हम मानते ही हैं तो लेना तो है ही मुझे, लेकिन मैं आपके ब्रांड को प्रमोट करने आई हूँ। My work is to promote your brand, to give a right audience कि आपके इतने अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स राइट ऑडियंस तक कैसे पहुँचे। I am a lifestyle influencer. My name is Barkha Giria. I am from Kolkata. Thank you so much.
How many followers you have?
39K. डूइंग इट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, ऑन मोज, मतलब डिफरेंट है, पर मेन हाईलाइट इन इंस्टाग्राम होगी।
पूना PCMC चैप्टर से हूँ। मेरा कैटेगरी है लोन्स का। नियर अबाउट मेरे पास में 45 बैंक्स हैं जिसमें नेशनलाइज, प्राइवेट और NBFC है। किसी का अगर कोई लोन चल रहा है या किसी को अगर कोई लोन चाहिए तो मैं उसमें पैन इंडिया हेल्प कर सकता हूँ। कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर बैंक वाला आपके पास में आता है या आपका कोई एग्जिस्टिंग बैंक है, वो सिर्फ उसका प्लस पॉइंट आपको बताएगा, उसका नेगेटिव पॉइंट आपको नहीं बताएगा, क्योंकि उसको फिर काम नहीं मिलेगा। तो मैं कस्टमर का जो प्रोफाइल रहता है उस हिसाब से उनको बैंक सजेस्ट करता हूँ, क्योंकि ये रिलेशन 10, 15, 20 साल का रहता है। इसी फाइनेंशियल नीड के लिए आप मेरे को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। मेरा नाम है अमित कुमार जैन। कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है 9011711733, 9011711733। और मेरा जो गिव है, पूना के जो टॉप मोस्ट बिल्डर है, आपको वहाँ पे कनेक्ट चाहिए तो मैं आपको कनेक्ट करा सकता हूँ, पूना के 10 टॉप बिल्डर। थैंक यू।
PCMC चैप्टर, आई एम अ ग्रीन बिल्डिंग कंसल्टेंट। सो जो भी बिल्डर्स उनको जिनको एक्स्ट्रा कंस्ट्रक्शन एरिया चाहिए, एक्स्ट्रा FSI, वो मैं आपको एटलीस्ट अप टू 7% दिला सकता हूँ। So please connect with me. My ask is builders and architects, and my gives is also architects and builders from Pune. Thank you. Yash Mutha 9673079189, 9673079189. Thank you.
कैसा भी कनेक्ट चाहिए हम लोग, मेरा JVNP पूरा रेडी है, कभी भी एनी टाइम प्लीज कॉल। मेरा काम है बेरिंग्स का, इंडस्ट्रियल बेरिंग सप्लाई करते हैं, होलसेल एंड रिटेल। एंड मेरा आउट ऑफ इंडिया बचीपन वियतनाम में एक प्योर वेज जैन रेस्टोरेंट भी है। थैंक यू। माय फोन नंबर इज 9836466652। गुड नेम सर, विकी कोठारी। थैंक यू।
Setting from Surat. So we are basically into the post-admission services for study abroad students, जहाँ पे हम उनको loans, forex, hostel services provide कराते हैं। तो जो भी post admission services है, इसके साथ ही recently हमने ऑस्ट्रेलियन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए taxation and bookkeeping services start की है अभी, जिसमें जो भी स्टूडेंट्स वहाँ पे आफ्टर स्टडी कुछ बिजनेस स्टार्ट करता है या फिर जॉब में है, so we also provide these services as well. So my specific ask would be the Australian relatives of yours or any chartered accountant in Australia. So we can provide the offshore accounting and auditing solution, as well as students who are willing to study abroad. My mobile number is 7737647476. Thank you.
Jai Jilendra, I am CA Vaibhav Jain from Surat, Gujarat. My firm name is Shubham Investments. I am a SEBI registered research analyst. We are into investment advisory, mutual fund, insurance, and recovery of your raw shares, physical shares, or IEPF shares. So my specific ask would be, if any one of you have any physical shares or raw shares of you or in your family, your grandparents, anyone, you all can connect me and I can get it recovered from the departments. Thank you. My mobile number is 8155979500. Thank you.
Jai Jilendra friends, myself Vinay from Surat. My category is lab-grown diamond jewelries. We have one-stop solution for all your lab-grown diamond jewelry needs. We have in-house manufacturing units of certified diamonds to hallmark diamond jewelries. And my ask is any retail diamond jewelry owners who want to expand in lab-grown diamond jewelry. And my number is 8849214546. Thank you.
मैं प्राजकर मुधोलकर PM's ऑफिस एड एजेंसी से। हमारे ऑफिसेस मुंबई, पुणे, नासिक और बैंगलोर में है। मैं पर्सनली ब्रांड कंसल्टेंट हूँ और मेरी एजेंसी में मोर देन 80 डिफरेंट सर्विसेज है। यू गाइस कैन कनेक्ट विद मी टू नो मोर अबाउट इट। थैंक यू।
अच्छा, नेम ऑफ द कंपनी।
जय जिनेंद्र, आई एम विनय जैन फ्रॉम अरिहंत कैपिटल मार्केट्स लिमिटेड। From last 33 years, this is a listed company in BSE, and we are offering the equity broking, PMS services. Our AUM is 1,000 crore plus. Class 1 merchant banker, we are offering the IPO services, fundraising, alternate investment funds, wealth management, foreign company account, demat account भी हम लोग खोलते हैं, कई लोग बाहर की कंपनियां जो यहाँ पे डीमेट खुलवाना चाहती हैं उनके डीमेट अकाउंट हम लोग खोलते हैं। एंड मैं चाहता हूँ कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी मार्केट में स्टॉक मार्केट का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है और अभी जो समय चल रहा है उसमें हम सबको स्टॉक मार्केट में जुड़ना चाहिए। उसके लिए वी आर ऑफरिंग द सर्विसेज एंड आवर मोबाइल ऐप इज अरिहंत प्लस। वो आप अपने प्ले स्टोर पे जाकर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। उसमें हम लोग रेगुलर हमारी नोटिफिकेशंस भेजते हैं रिसर्च की और अदर इन्वेस्टमेंट की। माय नेम इज विनय चंद। माय मोबाइल नंबर इज 9300093900 9300093900। थैंक यू।
छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं, थोड़ी एनर्जी आ जाएगी क्योंकि प्रोफेशनल फॉरम अलग है और हम सब यहाँ पे एंटरप्रेन्योर, राइट? हम सबको पता है हमारी दुनिया कैसी होती है। तो अब हम अदिति प्लीज जॉइन अस टू एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी करते हैं, सबको रिचार्ज हो जाएंगे, एक्टिव हो जाएंगे, राइट? सो तो अदिति वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम यू नाउ।
ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू से द टैगलाइन और आपको ब्रांड गेस करना है।
और गेस करना है, हाथ खड़ा करना है।
हाँ,
सही नाम क्या मिलेगा?
आपको सबसे ज्यादा रेफरेंस मिलेगा।
Yes, whoever wins, I have gift for them at my store.
Wow!
You have
Great round of applause for Bala.
Yes, we have a gift. My also stall is in hall number 1 B08 and Rakshita is also in the same hall B. So you have to visit there and definitely the gifts are in a huge quantity. आप सबके लिए हैं, बिल्कुल। अदिति please.
Okay, so let's start. I'm loving it. Okay, Amitakar, you have to decide. Sorry. McDonald's. Right.
Absolutely right. Clap for.
ये दिल मांगे बोल।
One. Pepsi.
Right.
ये दिल मांगे मोर, Pepsi. Round of applause.
Imagination.
Yes. देख लीजिए, अगर हाथ खड़ा किया रॉन्ग आंसर है 2 गिफ्ट देने पड़ेंगे, राइट? प्लीज।
No.
Anyone want to write?
Siska.
Yeah.
नहीं आप
Philips.
No, wrong.
Gel. And the
Wrong.
And the answer is Yes, you get. General Electric.
Right.
Wow. Clap for Yes Bhandari. He's from Hyderabad. He knows everything.
The ultimate driving machine.
Yes, BMW.
Yes, right.
BMW.
This is easy, I guess. हर घर कुछ कहता है।
Oh my God. और एक तो बहुत ही इजी है। Man will be man. अरे इतने कम हाथ क्यों खड़े हुए भाई? आंसर बोलने की जरूरत है क्या? रॉयल स्टैक। देखो यार, पकड़ तो लिए लेकिन बहुत दूर है अभी आप। Anyone else? Yes. देखो ये इतने कम हाथ खड़े यही बोल रहा है।
Okay, next. इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई?
मनोज जी।
Yes, ready to brand.
Very tough one. जहाँ भी जाए वहाँ हो जाइए।
रमेश गोलचा जी।
रमेश ने खेला इसको।
हाँ, कैलाश गोलचा जी।
मिलोगे तो मिलेगा।
JBN।
राजेश जी चंद्र।
तो सब एनालाइज हो गए। गेम कंटिन्यू रहेगा एक रो कंप्लीट होने के बाद।
लास्ट है बात।
Yes, last one.
सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? यानी आंसर।
इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? अब इसको किसी ब्रांड ने लिया है और कुछ ना कुछ तो इसका है।
रजिस्टर नहीं किया होगा एज अ ब्रांड नेम।
नहीं, रजिस्टर्ड है।
लास्ट 10 सेकंड। इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई?
Everyone gives up. It's thumbs up.
अच्छा।
चलो, clap for Aditi. It was a great after few minutes you will come again.
Thank you विकास जी, thank you Aditi. Guys, we'll move to this now. एक घोड़ावत का नाम आप लोगों ने सुना होगा। जी हाँ, वो उनसे मेरा कोई रिलेशन नहीं है।
मैं जबलपुर से हूँ, बसंत कुड़ावत। हम लोग होटल बिजनेस में हैं और हमारे 2 होटल्स हैं वहाँ पर, 114 रूम्स का एक है, 120 रूम्स का है, और हम लोग फर्नीचर बिजनेस में हैं। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि जबलपुर में कोई एक्सपांड करना चाहे, कोई को भी कोई ऑफिस खोलना हो, कोई काम करना हो, तो मैं उनकी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ वहाँ पर। और मुझे एक्सपांड करना है होटल्स के लिए, तो अगर किसी के पास कोई जगह हो तो हम लोग जॉइंट वेंचर कर सकते हैं। पेन इंडिया हम लोग देख रहे हैं और प्लान है कि 2 साल के अंदर हम लोग 20 रिजॉर्ट खोलेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच। माय नंबर इज नेम इज बसंत घोड़ावत, 96850 95970। थैंक यू
everyone. This is Gaurav Jain, your oil partner from Jito North Delhi. I'm a patron member from Delhi, and I represent my family business Jensen and Jensen Lubricant. Our brand name is Z Premium. Think machine, think Z Premium oil. So we cater 3 segments: automotive oils, industrial oils, defense oils. हम लोग वर्ल्ड वाइड एक्सपोर्ट भी कर रहे हैं और पैन इंडिया सप्लाई है। I can connect you to lot of factory owners, architects and contractors. और जो मेरी आस्क है वो भी वैसे ही है, स्टील प्लांट, सीमेंट इंडस्ट्रीज, पेपर मिल, शुगर मिल, स्पिनिंग मिल, कॉटन मिल, कभी तो मिल, कहीं तो मिल। थैंक यू। सो
लुब्रिकेशन पी के आए हैं।
So name is Gaurav Jain. You can note down my number. This is 9811 640 318. I'm also an anchor, author, and I'm also a music lover. So अगर किसी को म्यूजिक का शौक है, we can connect back. हम लोग डेली जैमिंग करते हैं. That's as a passion, not profession. Thank you.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Jai Hind, Sachin Nagin Chodia from Petron River, Jalgaon, Jito Chapter, JBN Co. Terminal. Techno-legal electricity billing consultant. इंडस्ट्री, स्कूल, हॉस्पिटल, बिल्डर, इनका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल का डॉक्टर हो और कंसल्टेंट हो, मेरा स्पेसिफिक आस्क है प्लीज कनेक्ट विद स्कूल, कॉलेज, हॉस्पिटल एंड इंडस्ट्री बिल्डर। और मेरा गिव है रिफंड एंड रिडक्शन इन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल। थैंक यू। साइनिंग ऑफ सचिन चोडिया। मेरा नंबर है 98231 37093। थैंक यू।
एंड वी हैव 2 वर्टिकल्स, एक जहाँ पे आपको अगर इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजरी का बिजनेस एज अ वर्टिकल स्टार्ट करना है, आई कैन हेल्प यू आउट। आई ऑलरेडी हैव 120 एडवाइजर्स throughout India, out of which 46 are practicing chartered accountants. So we professionalize into employer insurance, जहाँ पे आपके पास प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी अगर है एंड आपको एक वेल्थ ट्रांसफर करना है फ्रॉम योर पॉकेट टू अनदर पॉकेट ऑफ योर पर्सनल पॉकेट, सो वी कैन हेल्प यू यूजिंग इंश्योरेंस एज अ टूल। एंड माय रिसेंट सक्सेस स्टोरीज, नीरज चोपड़ा जी जो हमारे चैरिटी थ्रू है, उनका मैंने 50 करोड़ का लाइफ इंश्योरेंस माय नेम अंशल सोलंकी एंड माय नंबर इज 7020824354।
Ishan. Jai Jinendra everyone. My name is Achal Jain, representing my firm Shri Sudarshan Tractors. We are dealing in more than 15,000 tractor parts items, including Sonalika, Swaraj, Mahindra, Aisha, Preet, etc. We are here in this field since more than 2 decades, and I am looking forward for the connect of manufacturers of bearings, and I can connect you with the charter plane services and the air purifier manufacturers. Thank you.
Phone number.
Achal Jain. It's 9871 453202. Sorry.
You're from?
I'm from Delhi. Delhi, and my firm name is Shri Sudarshan Tractors.
Yeah, I send them legal notices. So I am Pooja Jain, advocate, solicitor and Supreme Court lawyer. Our niche practice is in the area of intellectual property rights, that is trademarks, copyright, design and patents. I am from Mumbai Goregaon chapter, and I would like to connect with Sun Pharma, Intas Pharma and Epka Pharmaceutical. I can connect you to Everest Oil and Everest Salon. Thank you. The phone number is 721-830-9559.
From JBN Tycoons, I'm representing my firm Fashion Stores. We help you save money on your every purchases. So I'm telling you a few brand names: Jio, Book My Show, Hotstar, Sony, Z5, and other OTT subscriptions. I provide all this at discount. So today, one offer for everybody: you can get 3 months LinkedIn Business Premium free for 3 months. It is 10,000 rupees worth. Give me a referral and take your LinkedIn Business Premium free. My specific ask is, I am looking for Jain business groups. So add me to any Jain business group so I can give you a free LinkedIn Premium. Thank you. My number is 9035.
Sir, एक बार referral offer है ना सर?
मतलब एक रेफरल
एक लेंगे।
आपको
हाँ उसमें जितने बिजनेस मिलेगा, हाँ बहुत सारे करो, बहुत सारे मिलेगा। I can give you sales navigator also if you add me to 3 business groups of and in this 3 months it's worth 15 to 20,000 rupees. Okay, and it's absolutely free, no other, only reference. So 9035 888 427. I repeat 9035 888 427. Your good name now. Rishabh, Bangalore Fashion.
Team. I'm new to Jito as well as JPN, so I'm happy to be a part. I'm from Mumbai. I run a company called Dreamspace. We do large-scale corporate interior fit-outs. Our clients are MNCs and large Indian-listed companies. I'm based out of Mumbai. We have an office and setup in Hyderabad as well. My give is that, of course, we do these projects so I can take help of some of the service and product providers who go into the interior fit-out industry. My ask is to connect with large corporates in Hyderabad and Vijayawada, or to the property consultants or brokers who work with these large corporates in Hyderabad and Vijayawada.
Fantastic, sir. Very English, clear, beautifully explained. Thank you. Clap, clap, clap.
Your partner should be after every 30 seconds, so you have to clap.
Let's continue doing that.
जय जैन सभी को, मेरा नाम विशाल जैन है. I am representing my firm Vishal Enterprises from Ranchi. We are owning a brand called Caffeinators, which is onboarded in the FDD platform. So anyone who wants to expand their business, they can connect to me. And मेरा रेफरेंस बहुत सिंपल है. किसी के यहाँ पर जाते हैं और 5 मिनट 10 मिनट में आपको चाय कॉफी नहीं सर्व करता है. So there is a gap. And I can fill that gap by providing my services. We are looking at expanding our distribution network in entire India. So connect me with anyone who wants to go. Thank you. Vishal Jain from Ranchi.
We provide the second best source of light, that is LED lighting and all. So first being sun. So hello everyone, Jayendra. I am Pratik Choksi from Visakhapatnam. I deal with multiple lighting brands under one roof. Our USP is we cater to specific requirement of industries and institutions as per their lighting requirement, and we give them the solution appropriate to it. We deal with multiple poles, GI tubular decorative poles. We do architectural facade lighting solutions. So recent being the Victoria Public Hall in Chennai, we have done Parlakamudi station in Odisha, and few upcoming stations we are also tied up with Amrit Bharat station. My specific ask is, please help me to get connected with Cognizant. If anyone is working with them in the project team, because they are setting up a facility in Vizag. So if anyone has a strong connect with Cognizant and they are working with it, please do help me get connected. And my gifts are that I am connected to the food processing industry belt of Andhra coastal area. So be it your Bhimaram, Tanku, or your Rajmundry, Kakinada area, if anyone has a requirement over there, please do help me. Let me know, I will help you connected. Thank you. This is Pratik from Gemini Electricals, Visakhapatnam.
In Nagpur. How many of you have seen one more person with me in Nagpur? Yes, who's that? बोलिए. Fantastic. एक ताली बजा दीजिए सर. Guys, इस रूम में कितना पावर है और कैसे कनेक्ट्स निकाल सकते हैं और इस रूम में आपको क्या एक्सप्लोर करना है. ओके, we will do the same activity with Pankaj Bhai what we did in Nagpur. Guys, please welcome Pankaj Bhai.